Yo, what is up everybody, and today we are going to do a video on this Logitech G435 gaming headset that is completely wireless. Let's stay tuned for this video. Okay, so what we got here is that we got Lightspeed and we got the Bluetooth, which is pretty nice, is that we can have Lightspeed connected to your PC, and you can have Bluetooth connected to your Samsung phone or iPhone, Nintendo Switch, and then also, which is pretty cool. Speaking of the wireless functionality, the Lightspeed is only compatible with your PC, PlayStation 5, and PlayStation 4. Sorry Microsoft users or Xbox users, you already asked out, so maybe in the future, maybe Logitech can support that, but I don't really know, so let me get this out. And take this out of the way. Also, we got clear highs and booming bass with a 30mm driver on this headphones. And I got the Lilac plus white version because it's $30, and the black one is like $10, probably $20 more. But I know it's probably not a big deal, but I'm more of a kind of guy that likes to save money on these stuff. So yeah. So this is I think they're trying to make this packaging more better for the environment, so which is a nice thing. And let's go ahead and do this. Get this out of this way. First, we got this adapter. We got the Lightspeed, the PC, PlayStation 5, and then turn on the headset after you plug in the adapter. So yeah, we got Bluetooth, microphone, and then we got that switch going on. Unfortunately, as far as I heard from the reviews on Amazon, they don't have like something where you can connect to your phone while you're playing a game. Let's say if you're playing Minecraft or something, whatever, on the PC, and you get a phone call on your phone. It doesn't matter if it's an iPhone or Android. Unfortunately, it does not switch like my Samsung Galaxy Buds. Where's that at? My other earbuds that I have here. Just like my Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 does have, which is not really meant for gaming. It's really meant for your phone, stuff like that. It does switch to your phone for the feature that you have. That switch over to your phone call, but not this headphones. So if you want to have your phone calls, then maybe you should have a smartwatch on your wrist that you can feel the vibration. Alright, so enough talking about that. Let's go ahead and open this adapter. We got a white dongle. It's pretty cute though. Let's put that to the side. We got a cable, USB-C to Type A adapter. And now we got some paperwork and the Logitech stickers. Where's it at? Right here. Okay, this is the Logitech stickers, and then we got paperwork inside of it. Alright, put that back. Put it to the side. And now we got the headset itself. Alright, we got some paper. Put this back inside, as well as just a small box. Put that to the side. Alright, so far it looks pretty good. And this is a lilac color, like I said, but it's more blue. But if you're gonna, oh, I see some kind of a purple tint to it, but it's not really purple. It's just more like a baby blue color. The plastic is pretty nice, and it's pretty lightweight though. Pretty flexible. Put it to match. Oh yeah, this is pretty smooth. And then we got adjustable head thing going on. Power button, volume up and down. We got a mute button, and then we got a charging port right there. USB Type C. Props to Logitech for the USB Type C. Since my Logitech G435 only uses micro USB, unfortunately, but I might upgrade my mouse to a better Logitech mouse. Anyway, so yeah, let me go ahead and put this connected to my computer, and then I'll see you guys when it's working. Alright, so we got this USB connector. Now I'm gonna connect to my PC. Alright, I got that plugged in. Should be plugged in by now. Alright, now let's go ahead and turn this headphones on. Alright, it's green. And we go, and it should look like this now. Pretty comfortable though. I do have a big head, but it has some kind of memory foam. Oh man, it's pretty nice. And it has a microphone right here. Unfortunately, it's not like a boom on microphone. It's like right here. So I don't really know how it's gonna sound, especially with the speakers. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I connected it to the PC. And it works just fine. So let me go to my Apple Music that's inside my web browser. So okay, I already logged into my account. I already matched the volume. And let's see what I'm gonna play. Ooh, this one. Let's see how it goes. Okay. I'm waiting for the bass to drop. Oh, that's good. I mean, it's not mind blowing, but I'm waiting for somebody to talk inside the song. Oh. Dang, this thing was good. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I kind of wish I have like a device where you guys can hear it, but this is the best I could give you guys. This is decent. Yo, that's decent quality headphones though. And when it comes to the software, I don't see any videos about the software compatibility, and I see the one that says no software needed for the headphones, but let me see if that's true. G-Hub. We'll go for that one. See if that recognizes my headphones. Because I would like to increase my I would like to increase the EQ settings. Let's see if they accept it. I personally don't care. Desktop. Yeah, it looks like it's not even detecting my... Yeah, it's not detecting my headphones, unfortunately. That sucks. It's not doing it. Come on, Logitech, really? I'm quite disappointed. Like, I know it's like 25 bucks or 30 bucks on Amazon, but on the Logitech G website, they have it for like 80 to 90 bucks on the Logitech website. Alright, so let me see how it sounds like when I switch over to Bluetooth. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is how the microphone sounds on this Logitech G435. Let me know how it sounds, and I'm gonna review when I get to my video editing, or maybe a next video. I'm not sure, but this is how it sounds when I record through my Logitech G435. Let me know what you guys think. Guys, it's already been the next day, and yeah, I've just played Roblox and some other games on this computer with this headphones connected to it, and so far it's pretty good. I don't know why my flashlight is on, but anyway, so yeah, so far pretty good. So maybe in the next 2-3 weeks I'm gonna get with you on this thing on YouTube. So yeah, stay tuned for that one, and then don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like the Logitech headphones. So turn on the notifications and then like the video, that way you don't miss any of the videos that I'll be uploading in the future YouTube videos. So yeah guys, I'm also editing this video today, so see you guys